Oncology is the fastest growing therapeutic with huge barriers of entry. With commencement of oncology plant domestic operation as well as exports will get further fillip, which will positively impact margin across the board. The EU GMP approved oral solid and injection blocks are ready to operate under CDMO and export business models. Of 28 product dossiers prepared with API having CEP bioequivalence studies from US FDA, CRO and R&D from Europe, 17 SKUs have been submitted in Europe covering Bulgaria, Croatia, Switzerland, Serbia and 11 in Latin America, Southeast Asia and African countries. I now direct Mr. Bharat Soni, Company Secretary, to read the items of notice dated 22nd July 24 and remarks of the auditors on the financial statement for the financial year 23-24. I further request him to highlight the business performance as detailed in the director's report.
Thank you, Sanjay sir. Dear all, the notice dated 22nd July 2024 of this AGM has already been circulated to the members electronically in compliance with MCA and SEBI circular to transact the following business through video conference, which are adoption of the audited standalone and consolidated revenue and other income of rupees 156.52 crores during financial year 23-24 compared to rupees 138.03 crores during 22-23. Profit before interest and depreciation during the financial year 23-24 was rupees 41.54 crore compared to rupees 37.81 crore during financial year 22-23. After providing for interest, depreciation and taxes, the net profit of the financial year 23-24 under review stood at rupees 11.67 crores. With a view to conserve the financial resources for the future requirement of the company, the board of directors has not recommended any dividend for the financial year under review ended on 31st March 2024. Furthermore, as stated in the director's report, the company allotted 23,09,910 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 249.75 per equity share on 1st September 2023 to non-promoter on preferential basis after complying with the provision and guideline under the Companies Act 2013 and SEBI regulations. The company on 28th December 2023 allotted 4 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 374 per equity shares to non-promoter and 5 lakh convertible warrant at a premium of rupees 374 per security to person belonging to promoter and non-promoter on preferential basis after complying with the provision and guideline under the Companies Act and SEBI regulations. Post preferential allotment, the paid up share capital of the company stood at rupees 21.75 crores. Furthermore, the company has spent rupees 37.95 lakhs towards CSR during the financial year 23-24. Dear member, with the permission of the chair, now I begin the question answer session. Hello, Mr. Bikranjit.
Yeah, I can hear you. Good afternoon, everyone. I have listened to your question. There are two parts of it. Number one is the development part in terms of business and what are the timelines for that in terms of capacity utilization. Now, regarding the development, we have the domestic business already ramped up. In that, we have already concluded around 9 to 10 agreements, and we are in process with around 5-6 companies. This is in the domestic part. In the international, as you rightly mentioned, in the European end, we have concluded with around 4 agreements, and we are in process of discussion with around multiple scope in order to move ahead, particularly with the range of products which Mr. Shah has highlighted earlier. We have already 17 SKUs ready in the oncology segment with 27 dossiers filed in 9 countries. That is across the world. And regarding the capacity utilization part, obviously there are different stages in which we can scale up the overall process. But currently, considering the domestic commercials, we are right now in the lower end of the capacity utilization. But 100% capacity utilization that we can look forward to with full 3 years of working with the company, means a full year of operation of the entire process. So that is basically what we are looking forward to once the dossiers are getting approved in the overseas market.
Thank you, Mr. Vikramji. I am moving forward. Mr. Chandragupta Acharya, shareholder, has registered himself as a speaker for this AGM. Now I request moderator to unmute Mr. Acharya. Hello, Mr. Acharya.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir, for this opportunity. I am a shareholder for the last 4 years, actually, and it is good to see that we have crossed a number of milestones in this last 4 years. I had a long list of questions, actually, which I have sent by email almost a month ago. So you would be having them. I don't know whether I should read them out again for the benefit of everybody, or how I should proceed, or I can quickly ask them here, and you can answer all of them as you wish. So let me read out the questions. My first question is just an accounting clarification. Actually, in the cash flow statement, we have an outflow of 117 crores as direct taxes. So why this line is coming, and from where I'm not able to reconcile this line item with our actual tax payments that we are making. So that is the question on accounting, and then there are some business related questions which I will again read out to you. Firstly, we have signed a contract.
Sorry
Yes.
to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Mr. Acharya, can you write down, because we have received your email for the speaker registration only. We have not received your query. So you just write down your queries in email, that is cs@sakarhealthcare.com. We will revert you on email.
Yeah, so
Is it fine?
No, it is okay. Only thing is, I have sent my email, this list of questions on 26th of August. So it must be there with you. I will re-forward it again.
Can you please re-forward it, and
Yeah,
we will revert it on 1 or 2 days. Okay?
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Mr. Hardik Jain has registered himself as a speaker for this AGM. Now I request moderator to unmute the Hardik Jain.
Opportunity.
Hardik Jain?
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. So, sir, one question was again the same question which was asked by the previous speaker, that in the cash flow statement there's a direct tax outflow of 117 crores. So, I just can't make out why such a big amount is there. So, if you can explain that. And just I need a broad outlook on the business, as a previous speaker asked, by when the utilization can be achieved fully. So once the full utilization is achieved, what kind of turnover and margins we expect to do from this business, from this onco business. So if you can just brief us about that. These are my basic questions.
Mr. Hardik,
And one more thing, since I think previous speaker had a big list of questions, it will be nice if you can answer the same on this AGM, so that it will help all the other speakers, or at least when you reply to them, at least mark me also in the mail. It will help us in better understanding the business.
yes, Mr. Hardik Jain, you must have received my email on 14th September regarding reply of your concern. We have replied your queries. You can just write down the same email. We will revert you. We have replied your 3 queries, answer, and you can drop me a mail. We will revert you on email, so that you can get more clarity.
No, but generally, sir, in this AGM, it is better if you reply in the AGM, because it helps all the speakers. Why do you want to reply privately to each shareholder? Because if the queries can help help other speakers also to understand the business better?
We actually some of the information which have to gather from the account department, finance department, so that you can get the actual information. So I suggest you to drop me a mail, and
Okay.
you will get the answer in 1 or 2 days.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Other than the previous speaker, the company has not received any request from any shareholder to register as a speaker to this AGM. And with this, I conclude the question answer session. Moving forward, as stated earlier, as this meeting is being conducted by video conference pursuant to the MCA circular